Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can upgrade PIP in Windows 7, 8 and Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, open your command prompt, and once your command prompt is ready, you just need to type a simple command, which is python-m pip install upgrade pip, and then press enter. So you just need to wait for few seconds. So it's going to uninstall the old version of pip. So just wait for few seconds more. Okay, now you can see the pip is upgraded successfully, and the upgraded version is that 21.1.3, and the old version is 21.1.2. So this is how you can upgrade your pip in Windows 7, 8 and 10. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.